Okay, I got the box off the cabinet. Now I'm just taking the plastic off. And the box had a crack along the one side that was torn. So we'll see if there's any damage here. So far looks good. Some damage here on one corner. But, you know, that's what you get, and it's really nothing to complain about, since that's going to be probably on the ground. But anyway, there you go. So you never know what you get when it's being shipped. And here's your connections. Which seem to be in place. And the inside of it. And your speaker cable. And that's about it.